Kya aap bhi apni income badana chaht hai? Agar han, to Amazon aapka liye ek bahad savita janak platform hai. Amazon par apko kai tara ke tarik milt hai apni income badhane ke liye. Step 1. Sabse pehla, aap Amazon affiliate program se judkar commission earn kar sakti hai. Iska liye aapko Amazon ke products ko promote karna hoga. Step 2. Social media platforms par aap apni followers ke saath share kar sakti hai aur commission earn kar sakti hai. Step 3. Agar aap apna khud ka product bechna chaht hai, to Amazon aapko ek platform provide karta hai jaha aap apni products ko sell kar sakti hai. Step 4. Aur agar aap Amazon ke warehouse ka use kart hai, to aap apni products ko storage aur delivery ke liye Amazon ke logistics network ka use kar sakti hai. Step 5. To agar aap bhi apni income badana chaht hai, to Amazon aapka liye ek som ki chidiya hai. Join kijiye aur apni sapni pour kijiye.